Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we will unbox this September LOOKFANTASTIC beauty box, the birthday box. They claim that overall value of this box is £77. This is great. Let's dive in. And first product is from Espa Pink Hair and Scalp Mud Intensive Treatment Mask to condition and nourish hair and scalp. Lovely. Next is Diego Dalla Parma Mini Lip Pencil in the shade 80 Antique Pink. I like the shade, it's perfect. Ooh, here we have a Jade Roller from the brand Brushworks. I love rolling my face. Jade Roller is great for massaging your serum, your cream, will help with better and quicker absorption of a product into your skin. It's an amazing tool. Next is LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's an anti-aging cream. I used this cream before, it's okay. What I didn't like about it is the scent, it's too strong. Illamasqua MiniOmg Highlighter is a beautiful champagne highlighter, not very intense but lovely. And the sixth product is from Luxie 209 Large Shader Brush. I already use it and it's not my favorite. It's a bit too big. And as a bonus we have a pop socket with LOOKFANTASTIC beauty box logo. And here are all the products that was inside. To be honest, I'm not very delighted with this month beauty box. I was expecting to be wow, especially that was a birthday box. And this was everything for today. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.